Hello. Sending you air hugs. Hey, it's Miss Crawford with my good thing for this week, the week of April 6th, 2020. My good thing is that this week is the first of 2 short weeks. So, yes, even though we are not in school together, we are still observing the holiday that you would have had this week and next week. So, we're off on Friday and the following Monday for next week, which will be the 13th, I believe. So, that's my good thing. And like I said last week, I was going to continue to show you guys Barbie dolls from my collection. And another one of my faves is Happy Holiday Barbie 2017. Ooh, she's pretty. So this is like in the background, like a Christmas ornament, I think, that came with it. And you can see like her, I know there's a glare, but her pretty dress and her pretty shoes. I do not remove my dolls from the box. They're more valuable if they are NRFB, never removed from box. So I don't take this out and play with her or anything like that. They're just pretty to look at. So that's my good thing for this week. I hope to hear from you. I noticed this past week we had fewer good things, and that's okay. You don't have to make a video. You can type yours out in your Seesaw class, but I will be posting your assignment soon, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.